Today I'm fixing some oven roasted delicious salmon, some steamed asparagus, and steamed carrots and potatoes. Come with me, let me show you how I did it. Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diane, and today I'm making a quick and easy meal. I'm going to be steaming some vegetables. I'm going to put in just 2 cups of water, and I'm going to add some garlic powder to the water, just so we can have that garlic smell steamed into my vegetables. I'm gonna put my little, this is the steamer, I'm gonna put it in here, and we're gonna be doing asparagus. Now, I have done this a couple of times and it turned out really good. The asparagus is nice and tender the way you want it to be. And I got a little olive oil there. I'm gonna put some parsley flakes down in there too. And we're gonna add more garlic to that, okay? And also we're gonna add some salt and pepper. And we're gonna give it a toss. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it into my kasori. You can do it on the Ninja, but I always did mine on the kasori. So I'm gonna do it on the kasori today, which is all the way across the kitchen. So, and it's behind my camera. So you won't see it. Just read the directions to whatever kind of cooker you have. I have a Ninja over here, and I have a kasori over there. So I'm going to be doing it in the Ninja like I always do, and the kasori. And in the kasori, it takes 7 minutes, and they come out good. Now these are not really thick, so if you're going to steam them, I would suggest that you read the directions for whatever kind of steamer you have, so you don't over steam. Then of course, then we're gonna just put this on top of it. It was in the bottom of the bowl. Of course, if you understand them, all you gotta do is just start the steamer up again. And here's how they look. Just want to show that to you real quick. Next, I have my vegetables, and I'm gonna steam these as well. So I have peeled my carrot. According to the directions of my steamer, they should be about 1 inch in diameter. And then I got my potatoes. So I'm gonna steam both the carrots and the potatoes together, but we're gonna marinate them first. I'm going with some parsley. It's just for color. And we're gonna do a little olive oil, okay? And then we're gonna go in with some dill. So that's dill weed, good amount of that. Then we're gonna put in some salt and pepper. And I have the pink Himalayan salt. And then some coarse black pepper, not too much. The coarse is always going to be spicier. And I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of garlic in it. You know, why not? We love garlic. We're just gonna get it all coated. That looks amazing. All right, so I'm gonna set this to the side. Smells good. I'm just gonna cover it up. Set it to the side. And then we're gonna start on our salmon. So I do have some jarred minced garlic. We're gonna put in a good amount of that. And we're gonna put in some Spanish paprika, not too much. And then we're gonna put in some more parsley. We're gonna go in with some salt and pepper again. Pepper, olive oil. Then I have some room temperature butter. I'm gonna put in. Then I'm gonna use some Mrs. Dash, and this is the original. Then we're gonna just get in here, kind of Make sure we got all of this coated really well. We're going to stick it in the oven and let it cook till it's done. The outside or back side of our salmon should be nice and crispy. This is what's going to go down on our sheet pan. So it's going to be skin side down, pink side up. All right, I'm going to cover this. So my asparagus is done, nice and tender. I'm going to pull it out into this beautiful dish that I have. And here's my nice and tender, juicy, steamed asparagus. Absolutely delicious. You know, when you roast them, they'll get a little hard on you. They'll turn brown. But when you steam them, just delicious. All right, now it's time for the potatoes. What I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to rinse my steamer. I don't have to add any water to it because there's still plenty in there. Okay. Wrap those back in. Potatoes and carrots go in next. I'm just going to pour those in there like that. Just make sure you got them spread around nice and evenly. And into the steamer it goes to cook until they're nice and tender. All right, I got my oven preheating to 475. Put some olive oil in the bottom of my aluminum foil sheet pan. I like the aluminum foil when it comes to preparing some kind of a roasted meat in the oven because it just makes it sear so much better. So they've been marinated for quite a while. And then I'm just going to place them on my sheet pan. And we're going to put all of our drippings right on top because we don't want to lose any of this goodness, okay? So this is looking really great. And we're just going to slather it where it's needed at because we got garlic in there, we got olive oil, and we've got some butter in here. This is going to go into the oven, 475 degrees for 8 minutes. Then I'm going to turn it down to 425 until it's completely done. I always use a thermometer to check to the doneness that I like. So you do that as well, or you just cook it as long as you think it's done. You don't want it to dry out. If it overcooks, it's going to be dry. So you don't want it to overcook. And doesn't they look delicious? Okay, so now my vegetables are nice and steamed. I'm going to go ahead and get those out. Okay, I want you to look at that. Delicious. All right, I'm going to plate everything up and we're going to get ready to eat. Okay, we're going to start with the main attraction. Look at that salmon on there. The delicious asparagus. Next, our steamed vegetables, potatoes, and carrots. It's a nice, healthy dinner.
Thanks for watching. Be blessed.